Today, we're diving into the sleek and stylish Marineland Portrait Glass LED Aquarium Kit, a 5-gallon masterpiece that combines modern design with advanced functionality. With its rounded corners and clear glass canopy, this rectangular aquarium offers stunning views from multiple angles, making it a perfect centerpiece for any room. Experience the beauty of both day and night with its daylight and moonlight lighting options, where bright white LEDs create a shimmering sunlight effect, and blue LEDs produce a calming moonlit glow. The aquarium features a hinged LED lighting system and a sliding glass canopy for easy access, while its hidden, advanced 3-stage filtration system ensures crystal clear water without disrupting the view. Measuring 9.5 inches by 9.5 inches by 14 inches, this compact aquarium is designed to fit Marineland right-size sea filter cartridges seamlessly. Whether you're a seasoned aquarist or a beginner, this easy-to-assemble kit promises a hassle-free and enjoyable experience, bringing a touch of aquatic elegance to your space. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.